Okay, today is November 12th, 2009, and the current spot price of gold is about, here's $1,000, so it's about $1,100 an ounce. And Bloomberg has reported that people in Vietnam are willing to pay about $1,300 an ounce in the cash market for gold. Now, this is important because Vietnam is the largest retail investment demand country in the world, just ahead of India. And India just paid for 200 tons of gold from the IMF. And back in 2008, in June, the Vietnamese government, because their Vietnam dongs were evaporating so quickly, they decided to put import restrictions on gold. So they haven't been able to import gold in Vietnam since about 2008, and so these Vietnam dongs. There we go. I got 500 of them there, and I got 5,000 of them here. They're becoming increasingly worthless over there. These paper illusions are evaporating, kind of like these paper illusions are evaporating. And gold, of course, is balancing the balance sheet like it always does. And throughout history, we've seen this happen a lot. Here's $100 trillion. No, it's not from Austin Powers, but it's from the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. And a few weeks ago, I was with a hedge fund manager in New York discussing some business. And when he came to the United States, he could trade one Zimbabwe dollar for one Federal Reserve note dollar. But now this thing's completely evaporated through hyperinflation. I got a bunch of other paper currencies here. Here's a Reichmark, from Weimar, Germany, 20,000, and some million marks right there. Here's a Japanese yen. Banco Central de la República, just from some of my travels. There's a Bank of Guatemala, Quetzales. Here's one from Budapest, Hungary. Oh, 50 yuans, that's a Chinese one right there. Euros. Some people think, oh, well, the euro can become the world reserve currency, but John Paulson says, nope, that's gonna fail. So, see, we've got tons and tons of all these different types of paper currencies. We even got the world reserve currency right here, and all of them are in mortal competition with gold. It poses a mortal threat to all of these competing paper franchises in the currency market. And the Vietnamese, they're willing to trade their paper at $1,300 in the spot market for physical gold in their hand. That's a sobering thought.